Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by hills, there lived a curious girl named Elena. She loved exploring the forests and fields near her home. One day, while wandering further than usual, she stumbled upon a peculiar field. The grass shimmered like gold under the sun, and the air felt unusually warm. In the center of the field, there was a small, glowing tree with colorful leaves. Elena felt drawn to it as if it were calling her name.
Elena approached the glowing tree cautiously. As she reached out to touch it, a soft voice echoed around her saying, "This is the field of wishes. Anything your heart desires will come true, but only once." Elena was astonished. She thought about her modest life in the village and all the dreams she had. Overwhelmed with excitement, she immediately wished for a beautiful house for her family, and in an instant, her wish was granted.
Returning to her village, Elena saw a magnificent house standing where her old, modest home used to be. Her family was overjoyed and thanked her endlessly. However, Elena kept the field a secret, fearing others might misuse its power. But as days went by, she noticed something strange. Although her family had a grand house, they seemed less happy than before. They argued over small things and started to take their new fortune for granted.
Curiosity got the better of her, and Elena returned to the field. She asked the glowing tree why her family was unhappy despite having everything they ever wanted. The tree replied, "Happiness does not come from wishes alone. It comes from effort, growth, and understanding." These words puzzled Elena. She wondered if her wish had been a mistake. She decided to spend more time observing her family to find a solution.
Over the next few weeks, Elena noticed that her family no longer worked together as they used to. In the past, they would farm, cook, and build as a team. Now, with their luxurious house, they depended on others to do everything for them. Elena missed the tone of their simple, hardworking days. She realized that the glowing tree was right. True happiness came from shared experiences and achievements, not from material wealth.
Elena returned to the field once more, determined to understand its magic. She asked the tree if she could undo her wish. The tree's voice was calm but firm, saying, "Wishes cannot be undone, but they can be reshaped with wisdom and effort." Elena pondered this for a long time. She decided that if the wish could not be undone, she would find a way to bring her family back together by other means.
Inspired by the tree's advice, Elena began encouraging her family to reconnect. She suggested planting a garden in their backyard, a reminder of their old farming days. At first, her family was reluctant, but Elena's enthusiasm was contagious. Slowly, they began to spend more time outdoors, working together to grow vegetables and flowers. The garden became a symbol of their renewed bond and effort.
As the garden flourished, so did the family's happiness. Elena saw smiles return to their faces, and laughter echoed in their home once more. They discovered that working together not only brought them closer, but also gave them a sense of purpose. The luxurious house no longer felt like a burden, but a blessing they appreciated. Elena felt proud of her family and their progress.
One evening, while sitting in the garden, Elena told her family about the enchanted field. She explained how the wish had changed their lives and taught her a valuable lesson about happiness. Her parents listened intently and hugged her, thanking her for her honesty and wisdom. They promised to cherish the lessons they had learned and continue working together as a family.
Elena, however, couldn't forget the tree's words about reshaping wishes with wisdom. She decided to use her experiences to help others in the village. She began sharing stories about her adventures and the importance of hard work and unity. Her tales inspired others to appreciate what they had and strive to build a better future through effort and determination.
The villagers admired Elena for her wisdom and courage. They began to see her as a leader and sought her advice on various matters. Elena used this opportunity to teach them about the value of teamwork and perseverance. She organized community projects, such as rebuilding homes and creating public gardens. The village grew more united and prosperous under her guidance.
Despite her new responsibilities, Elena never forgot about the enchanted field. She would occasionally visit it to reflect on her journey and the lessons she had learned. Each visit reminded her of the power of choices and how they shape our lives. She realized that the field's true magic wasn't in granting wishes, but in teaching those who encountered it to find strength within themselves.
Elena's story became a legend in her village. Children would gather around her, eager to hear tales of the glowing tree and the magical field. She would always end her stories with a reminder. True magic lies not in wishes, but in the effort you put into making your dreams come true. Her words resonated deeply with everyone who heard them.
As years passed, Elena grew older, but her spirit remained as vibrant as ever. The village had transformed into a thriving community filled with gardens, laughter, and unity. Elena's garden, the one she had started with her family, became a symbol of hope and perseverance. It was a place where people came to find inspiration and remember the lessons of the past.
One day, a young girl from the village approached Elena, asking about the enchanted field. Elena smiled and said, "The field is not just a place. It's a reminder that we all have the power to shape our lives through choices and effort." The girl listened carefully, her eyes wide with wonder. She promised to carry Elena's lessons forward and share them with others.
Elena felt a deep sense of fulfillment, knowing that her story and its lessons would live on. She realized that her journey had come full circle. The glowing tree's words about wisdom and effort had become the foundation of her life. She thanked the tree silently, feeling grateful for the challenges and growth it had brought her way.
As the sun set over the village, Elena walked to the enchanted field one last time. The grass still shimmered like gold, and the tree's colorful leaves swayed gently in the breeze. She placed her hand on the tree's trunk and whispered, "Thank you for showing me the way." The tree glowed brighter for a moment, as if acknowledging her gratitude.
Elena returned to the village, feeling at peace. She knew that her story would inspire future generations to value hard work, unity, and the power of making thoughtful choices. The enchanted field had given her more than a wish. It had given her a purpose. She embraced her role as a mentor and guide, dedicating her life to helping others find their own paths.
In the years that followed, the village continued to thrive, becoming a beacon of hope and progress. Elena's garden remained a cherished place where people gathered to celebrate their achievements and share their dreams. The lessons of the enchanted field became deeply ingrained in the village's culture, ensuring that its magic would never be forgotten.
Elena's legacy lived on long after she was gone. Her story became a cherished part of the village's history, passed down through generations. The enchanted field, though hidden from sight, remained a symbol of the strength and wisdom that lies within us all. As the villagers looked to the future, they carried Elena's lessons in their hearts, ready to face any challenge with courage and determination.